Hey there, it's Alex, and in this video we're just going to cover what alt text is and how to use it correctly, as well as how to use it in GroovePages. So alt text, which stands for alternative text, is present for people who use screen readers. So visually impaired people, blind people who are surfing the internet. They need to be able to know what the images that are on the screen are, especially if they're following a tutorial or something like that. But really, regardless of what the image is, they deserve to know what it is. And that's why alternative text is necessary. And alt text is also very important for SEO because search engines such as Google are aware that it's very important for visually impaired people and people who use screen readers. So they give it a high priority when it comes to ranking factors. So alt text is sort of a short subtitle or caption that should explain briefly what the image is. And for SEO purposes, you also want it to contain your keyword, preferably your main keyword. So that is what alt text is and how you use it. And the way that you use it in GroovePages is pretty simple. So I'm in GroovePages here, and this is actually the landing page that I'm building in order to promote this course once it's completed and I start selling it. And as you can see, I've got an image here, but I haven't added alt text for this image yet. So if I click on it and then I go to configure, if I was selecting the image, I would click on choose image. And I think we covered that in a previous video. But if I want to set the image alt text, then I do it right here. And I would just say SEO course letters with ears. So that contains the keyword, which is SEO course, and it explains briefly what the image is. So visually impaired people can get an idea of what's going on. I'm just going to click on update and save. And now that image has alt text. And alt text just lives in the code. You'll never really see it unless some websites, when you hover your mouse over an image, it will display the alt text, but not all. And other than that, you won't see it unless you're using a screen reader or some sort of software that helps visually impaired people navigate the internet. So anyways, that is what alt text is, how to use it, and how to use it specifically with GroovePages. If you have any questions at all about this or about on-page SEO, feel free to leave them in the comments down below.